the mystery is made up of clues and finding information. None of it is one big piece or a whole lot of little pieces. It's all dovetailed together. The murder is both the end of one story and the beginning of the next. But collecting the clues and information requires the sleuth to dig into the past. So he's going to be going from the investigation arrow, sneaking around the back and starting to look at the backstory and the committing of the crime. So the most important elements for building your clues are these 4 items: victim, killer, the act of the murder, and the actual crime scene. So there are 3 types of clues that you can use. The physical, which actually is the physical or scientific, the informational, and the thematic. Additionally, the blood spatter and the physical placement of other things at the crime scene, which you need to have designed very well, those placement of clues help them recreate the crime and begin to formulate some idea of what exactly happened and what the type of person was that maybe did it. When we read, we apparently focus on the end of a sentence. So if there are 2 or 3 things in the sentence, we remember most the last of the sentence. So bury a clue in a list of 3 in the middle and put a really strong false clue at the end of the sentence, and then also make a further reference to it to send the sleuth and the readers off on a false trail. And writing a mystery is intuitive. It's 2 steps forward and 1 step back a lot of the time, but it's a lot of fun trying to fool the readers without cheating.